For today's vlog ay mag-unboxing tayo ng parcel. And wait, kain muna ako ng peanut butter. Yummy. And ito na ang parcel ko, guys. Ito na. So, bubuksan na natin. Ayun. Uy, nabuksan ko na. Yay. So, wait lang. Wait lang, guys. Puguntingin ko muna. Ayan na, guys. Tapos ko na nagunting ang tape. So, first ay eyeshadow na malaki. Yung muna, try ko nga muna. Wait, tagal naman. Aray ko po. Wow, ganda naman ang babae. And next naman ay eyeshadow din. Maliit lang siya, guys. Pero super ganda. So, let's open it. Ayun, guys, super ganda. Let's try. Wow, glitter. And next is powder from Lamelia. Let's try. Ugat ko muna. Wow. Wow. And so next, guys, is lip tint from Lamelia again. Let's try it. Wow, it's so beautiful. And next, guys, is perfume. Wow, where from this? Let's try it. Bango. Bye. Love you.